Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'm gonna do Bhavana's wedding inspired makeup and hairdo, which I absolutely loved because it was like really beautiful and natural. And she's an amazing actress as well. I absolutely adore her. And this is like a very simple look, so it's like very appropriate for wedding guest makeup as well. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be like moisturizing my face really well using aloe vera gel. And you guys know aloe vera gel is good for the skin as well. Then I'll be using this Blue Heaven lip balm. Then I'll be priming my face with this Blue Heaven primer and just massaging it really well into my skin. But then I felt that it's not filling in my pores really well. For that, I'll be applying this Lakme Blur Perfect primer because this really works if we have like pores, not like big pores, but for like teeny tiny bit pores it just works really well. Then I'll be using this Fit Me foundation in this shade 332. It matches really well to my skin tone, and I'm just dotting it really well first, and then blending it with Pune Store Miracle Complexion sponge. Again, this sponge works really well. It just blends like really well this foundation, and I'm just dabbing and making sure that my foundation is like really blended and it's like really nice. And then I'll be using concealer. This is like LA Pro concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'll be applying it under to my eyes, bridge of my nose, forehead, like chin, and again I'm gonna blend it really well. This concealer is like a little bit lighter to my skin tone, so it acts very well as a highlighter. So it's like two in one. I'm making sure that it's like blended really well, and then I'll be using a powder just for baking purpose. For that, I'll be using Lakme rose powder. It works really well for me. I'll be picking it up with the same sponge and then applying it under to my eyes, which of my nose, and to my smile lines. And then I'll be taking a little bit of compact powder and applying it over to my eyelids, both of my eyelids, so that like my eyelids are like really set. After that, I'll be using the brown shade from Maybelline's nude palette, and I'll be applying it over to my crease as well as to the outer corner and just blending it really well. Then I'll be like spritzing a little bit of makeup setting spray to my brush and picking up the golden shade from the same palette and applying it to my eyelids. And then like to have like more intensity, I'll be picking up this goldeny coppery shade, loose eyeshadow powder, then applying it to my eyelids over to that golden shade, then again blending it really well. And then I'll be using this Kajal, Plum Kajal, and applying to my waterline, and even to my lash line, because she had like really nice smudged lower lashes. Then I'll be like drawing a thick eyeliner look with the same like plum pencil, plum kajal pencil. Then I'm like winging a little bit, teeny tiny bit. And then what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna take this ITX Dazzler eyeliner and then going over this kajal pencil once again, because she had that liquid liner look. I felt so in the pictures I got to see like that, but then to have that intensity, that's the reason I have used that black gel kajal first, then over that eyeliner. Then over to the lash line, lower lash line, I'll be applying this brown kajal from Essence, because she had that like brown smudgy lower lash line. And then I'll be extending the liner to my inner corners little bit, and then I'll be using the Sivana highlighter to highlight my inner corners, just the like lower lashes inner corners. And then I'll be putting lots and lots of mascara to my lashes, like this is from Essence. And then I'll be putting on fake lashes because she had that. This is from PAC, and in the number 52. This is like really nice lashes, very like soft and very easy to use, because I'm just a beginner when it comes to fake lashes, but still I could manage it. And then I'll be filling in my eyebrows with this pencil pencil first, which is from Miss Claire. Then I'll be going over it with the brown eyeshadow from Nudes palette, so that it's like a little bit more natural. And then I'll be just brushing it. Then I'll be dusting off all the excess powder which was there under to my eyes, bridge of my nose, and after that I'll be contouring, not a lot of contouring, little bit of contouring, especially to my nose, and whatever was left on the brush, I'm just contouring my cheeks and my forehead, because she didn't go for like drastic contouring and blush. Everything was like very minimal, very subtle, very beautiful and natural look, and I wanted to keep it like that only. And then I have just like blended it really well using my brush. After that I'll be using Sivana highlighter, same highlighter. I'll be applying it to the cheekbone, bridge of my nose, I mean not bridge, actually a little bit to my tip of my nose, and then that's that. As you know, usual places. And I have just blended with my fingers itself very lightly, and I'll be applying the highlighter to my brow bone, because that's really important. Just highlights the eyebrows really well. Then I'll be using the blush, Cheeky Glow blush, a little bit of it, and then applying it to my cheeks. Whatever is left I'll be applying to my nose, and that's that. After that I'll be using this Blue Heaven lip crayon, which is like in the orangey shade. After that, over on top of it I'll be using this Blue Heaven liquid lipstick in the shade Punk Maroon, because she had like some sort of like orangey pinky shade. So for that I am like mixing both, and our makeup is like completely done. I've used all the accessories. I think you guys must have seen these accessories. If not, check out the video, I will put it in cart. Then for hair, first I'm doing what I'm doing is like I'm parting my hair in like middle, and then I'll be applying a little bit of hair serum and making sure that there is no tangles in my hair. And then I'll be taking a chunk of hair from like front section, both of my front section, not a lot, as you guys can say, little bit of it. And then whatever hair is like left, I'll be just taking it all over to back of my head, and then just tying a pony. Not like very low pony, not like a high pony. Wherever I want my hair to be somewhat a kind of like low pony. And I'll be just using a hair tie and just gonna tie a pony. That's it, very simple. And then what we need is a donut, and this is, I mean, like really important for this hairdo. And I'll be like putting in my hair, that pony, into this donut, and then I'll be like spreading my hair completely to the donut, so that this donut is completely covered with the hair, and I'll be just securing it with a hair tie. And in between my camera died, and after that I changed the entire setup. Sorry, don't mind that. And then I'll be like twisting my leftover hair to that donut bun, and then securing it with the U-pins. U-pins is like really handy, guys. You should have it while doing these kind of hairstyles. It's like really helpful. Then I'll be putting a net, which is like very I mean, you can get it any shop. And then what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna work with this front section of hair. I'm like going over it with my flat iron, because I don't want to have any baby hair poking through, because she had like very nice neat hair bun. So I do have a lot of frizzy hair, and also I do have a lot of baby hair. So for that I'll be like going over my hair with the flat iron and making sure that there is no frizz as well as no baby hair. And then I'll be like securing that hair with a bobby pin at the back of my ear, just like so. And then I'll be taking that like chunk of hair, twisting it around the bun, and then again securing it with the U-pin. So you need to have a lot of like U-pin for doing this hairstyle. And again repeating the same with the other side hair as well. And then we need jasmine flower. First what I'm gonna do is like I'm like just keeping that jasmine flower around the bun, and whatever jasmine flower is needed, I'll be just cutting it out, and then I'll be securing this jasmine flower with U pin again. Making sure that I'm like using like 4 to 5 U pins so that it's like secure enough. And then I'll be again repeating the same. I'll be taking this jasmine flower and keeping around the bun, but then this time it would be like just behind the first layer of like jasmine flower. As you guys can see, I'm very bad at explaining these kind of things, guys. I'm really sorry, but I really hope you guys can understand through my video. And just cutting out leftover jasmine flower and making sure that it's all secure enough. And then again I'll be keeping the jasmine flower. This time what I'm gonna do is like uh, I'm gonna go up and down so that my entire bun is covered with jasmine flower, as you guys can see in this video. So every time I go with the jasmine flower to the up, I'll be like securing it with bobby pin, and then I'll be taking that jasmine flower down and again securing with bobby pin. In that way I'll be like completely covering this bun with jasmine flower. But you can see that there is like a little bit of gap in between. We can see that hair bun, but then that's okay. We can later on like fix it while by actually adjusting the jasmine flower. Now we need to secure it really well using like bobby pin or U pin. As I said, U pin is the best. And then I have like adjusted, and now it's like set. Then again I'm like setting my hair with a hair setting spray, making sure that no baby hair is there. And then for the monk tika, what I have done is like I have put on a thread, and then to the thread I'll be putting on or like securing it with a bobby pin, and the rest over thread I'll be like twisting around the bobby pin so that it's like very secure, and the bobby pin is like not that much visible. In that our like hairstyle is like ready. But then just to give a twist, I have like added a little bit of I have added like 5 rose flowers. This is like optional. If you want, you can go for it, but I found it like really like really beautiful. It just adds that pop of color. And in this way I have pinned the rose flowers to one side of my hair, and our hairstyle is ready. I really hope you guys must have enjoyed watching this. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do subscribe to this channel for more such videos. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all, bye.